Okay, so we just logged into the new Xbox Game Cloud app that allows you to play Xbox on your MetaQuest 3, MetaQuest 2, whatever you got there. And as you can see, we are in a Xbox themed room with all the green trim. It's pretty cool, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna double tap my headset. And that puts us in mixed reality. Let's straighten back out one more time. Okay, so I'm gonna put the controllers down the side here. I have an Xbox Game Cloud controller that I actually bought to play on Android. I'm going to see if this works, but you can always use a regular Xbox controller and various other controllers from PS4, Nintendo Switch, Pro, stuff like that. But let's turn this on. Okay, so as you can see here, I have it all paired up. It did work. Connect. Done. Now you're going to have to log into your Xbox account, obviously. They're not going to let you play games for free. You have to have an account. I believe it's like $14, $15 a month to play on Game Pass. But let's go ahead. I'm going to log in and come back. Okay, we are in. Let's go back to mixed reality. Double tap on the side. Double tap here. That gets rid of these. I can put those down. Now I have my hands free. One of the things it taught me before getting started was that if you look at your left hand and bring your fingertips together, it gives you these options for, you can make the screen bigger, you can make it medium, or you can make it small. Kind of cool. It's almost the size of the TV, but let's make it a little bit bigger because, you know, we want it bigger. Okay, in the other hand, you can go like this and you could squeeze to see the meta. Stop recording and all the different things you want to do. That way I can just actually move the screen where I want. You can bring it in closer, move it, ooh, too close. Move it further away. So let's put it about, you could lower it too, let's lower it. Yeah, let's lower it, bring it a little bit. Perfect. Now I'm gonna bring my menu back up and get rid of it. Boom. Now we're ready to play. Let's go ahead and try something. Let's do Sea of Thieves. Oh, that was really quick. Wow. Okay, now I do have really good internet, by the way. You have to have good internet speed for this. This looks nice and crisp right now. I know it's 1080p. I believe it's 1080p 30. Could be 1080p 60. I think it's 30. But hey, I mean, look at that. Jump on in. I mean, this feels crazy. It's so big. Let's put our sail down. Leave it up a little bit so I can actually see the steer. And we'll turn it sideways a bit. All right, let's get rocking here. We'll put up the anchor. Let's rock. And there you go, you're setting sail on the seas. Let me go ahead and actually bring my hand up here, and let's go ahead and go extra large. Wow, now that is crazy. It's like you're playing on a movie theater screen. And of course, if you ever want to go back into, you know, the Xbox environment, you just double tap, and there you go, you're back in that Xbox environment. Say you want to escape reality, you know? You don't want to be in wherever you are. Maybe you don't like where you are. I like where I am, so I'm going to double tap it. One more time. I find that the double tap works better if you do it slow, like the clapper, if you ever used the clapper back in the day to turn the lights on and off. Of course, this is a much easier game to play if you have other people to play, but you can see it works really, really well, and I'm impressed. And with the Quest 3 having such sharp resolution, man, it looks good. Okay, why don't we try a different game? Let's try a different game. Yeah, that's crazy, playing Grand Theft Auto with a screen that big. Oh, let's get my Lamborghini. What else do we have? We have a Viper. Let's take this Lamborghini Diablo style car. I actually had to pair the Xbox controller because the other one was giving me problems with the controls. Let's see if this one works fine. Yeah, this one works better. I recommend using an actual controller, not one like this. This is just this, and I noticed it wasn't letting me look up or down on Sea of Thieves, but yeah, here we go. And it runs great. We are rock and rolling Grand Theft Auto on a huge screen, as big as you want, really. I mean, I don't want it any bigger than this, although we can go bigger. No! We'll just cut that part out. I got this vehicle completely legally. And we're gonna head downtown. which in this game is magically close to everything else. Whoa. But this is playable, and I'm playing online right now, and you know, it's perfectly playable. The latency doesn't seem very bad at all. It runs well. You know, it's not 4K resolution, but it's much sharper than you'd think playing in VR. I could read all the text easily. And that's that. You know, it runs great. It's easy to set up, and it's just one more cool thing you can do in mixed or virtual reality on the Quest 3. So definitely check this out. Hope this video helped you out, showed you what you can do and how easy this is to set up. You don't have to have a TV. You don't have to have an Xbox. You just have to have Game Pass with a good internet speed and use the Game Cloud, and you can be playing a ton of cool games on Xbox just from your Quest 3. So hope you guys liked the video, and I'll see you in the next one.